In this video, we will discuss how we can take a screenshot on the TradingView app. So the screenshot are needed when we want to discuss a particular point on the chart with the another person. Suppose we want to discuss any point on the chart. Whatever that point is, on that point we will mark a vertical line so that the point will be clear to the other person. After adding the vertical line, you can also add a text to it, whatever you want to discuss about that point. So when we have put the vertical line, we got the exact day, date and time of that particular point. So by this, it will be easier for the second person to know about the particular point we are talking about. Now if you want to take the screenshot of the chart, you have to go to the top right corner, and here this camera icon is a screenshot tool. Click on it, you will see many options. This first download image option will download the chart as a file to your device. This copy image option will copy the chart including symbol, time frame, etc. everything to your clipboard, and you can send it to anyone or you can save it in any document. This copy link option will generate a shareable link to your clipboard and you can send this to anyone. The link will include full chart with its symbol, time frame and everything that we have marked. The open in the new tab option will open this chart screenshot in a new tab. Now here you can see that we have got the screenshot of the chart in the new tab with each and every detail. We have also got the vertical line with the proper day, date and time, and also the text that we have added. We have got the symbol of the chart with the time frame of it and each and every detail. You can also copy the link from here. This launch Apple chart button is a quick link that allows the users to directly open the stock chart. So now you can choose the option that suits you better and you can capture your charts like a pro. Also do follow for more TradingView tips.